In this video, I'll walk you through Custom Maps, an Android application that can use almost any digital map for GPS navigation. As GPS apps go, Custom Maps is pretty simple. It mostly just shows you where you are and what's nearby. What sets the app apart is the enormous potential size of its map library. With a little preparation and no additional software, you can use almost any online map, as well as any map out in the world. These maps can show features not found in conventional mapping software. The preparation, called georeferencing, is done within the app itself, and once you do it, no internet connection is needed. Custom Maps was written by Marko Taitanen, a Google engineer who created it as a side project. The app is free of charge, with no ads, and is open source. Here's how it works. I start here by downloading an online map from the web. This one is a PDF. JPEGs and PNGs are also supported. The maximum image size depends on how much memory Android can allocate to it. You can see the recommended limit in Preferences. Opening Custom Maps for the first time, I select Create Map and locate my map image, which in this case is in the Download folder. Some PDFs contain multiple images. This one contains only one. I can rename it and optionally describe it. Now I'm ready to georeference it. The aim here is to connect at least 2 points on my map image with the equivalent points on Google Maps. Here's the first point. It's at the intersection of 2 roads. When I select it, the screen switches to a view of Google Maps centering on my current location with a snippet of my selected point superimposed on top. There's no search function, so I have to be able to locate the area on my own. The 3 sliders on the bottom and the zoom buttons on the map can help make sure you're marking the right point. And you can fine-tune this further by zooming way in and readjusting. Keep in mind that the goal at this stage isn't to align the maps. It's to align the point on each map that marks the same location. Now I'll repeat this process for a second point. This time I'm marking a bend in the road near a body of water. This button toggles between the default Google Maps view, satellite view, and terrain view. Okay, we've established 2 points. Let's see how the 2 maps line up. Here's the newly georeferenced map placed over Google Maps. It's at an angle because on this map, north is not up. Depending on the map, 2 points may be enough, as it is here. That's because this map is drawn to scale. But consider this 1725 map of Venice. Here I've selected 2 points along the Grand Canal. At first glance, it looks fine. But closer up, you can see it's a bit off. So I'll add a third point. Custom Maps will consider up to 4 points in all. The result isn't perfect, but it's improved. You could recalibrate any map by long pressing it. And long pressing on any point lets you adjust or delete it. All of this applies to maps you photograph out in the world. Out in the field, custom maps shows your location and information about your location. From Preferences and enabled by default, you can display a scale that shows the distance represented by the length of the map, or by the width. Display Distance and Display Heading gives you the distance and optionally the heading from your location to the center of the map. You can display all of these selectively or in combination. Finally, custom maps can be used in tandem with other mapping programs, and if your device supports it, in split screen mode.